Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Toshiba washing machine Topload. Okay, this is the Topload. First you have to plug it first, and then after that you open your washing machine, and then you have to put all your dirty laundry in the laundry bag, then you put it in your washing machine. So that's it. Okay, one by one you have to put like this. Okay, just make sure that it's flattened inside. Okay, make sure that you put the laundry bags nicely, and then take another one. Okay, and then you have to put like this. Just dump it and make sure that is okay. Get again another one. Okay, all right. So this one, guys, we still have a lot of space. First, turn on. First, turn on.